Liigly visitors, today we are going to read and understand this case law. So let's begin. Related constitutional sections. Article 19, 1G, guarantees the right to practice any profession or carry on any occupation, trade or business, subject to reasonable restrictions in public interest. Article 32 provides the right to constitutional remedies, allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court directly for enforcement of fundamental rights. Articles 73 and 162 defines the scope of executive power for the Union and states, respectively, empowers the executive to manage state functions and undertake economic activities. Facts. The Punjab government initiated a policy of nationalising textbooks in 1950. Through various notifications, the government restricted private publishers' involvement in textbook production. Publishers claimed these restrictions violated their fundamental rights under Article 19 of the Constitution. Issues. Whether the Constitution of India is a federal constitution, whether the state government could engage in business activities like printing and publishing textbooks without explicit legislative sanction. Judgment. The court held that specific legislation may be indeed necessary if the government require certain powers, in addition to what they possess under ordinary law, in order to carry on the particular trade or business. Thus, when it is necessary to encroach upon private rights in order to enable the government to carry on their business, a specific legislation sanctioning such course would have to be passed. The Indian Constitution has not indeed recognised the federal principle or doctrine of separation of powers in its absolute rigidity, but the functions of the different parts or branches of the government have been sufficiently differentiated. Finally, court held that in the present case, no fundamental right of petitioner is infringed by the action of the government.